Let's go back to Walt Disney for a second. Walt Disney did many, many things to pioneer this new frontier called animation. One of those things came with the making of the Silly Symphony series in 1929. The series was less popular than Disney had hoped, but he turned to a new technical innovation to improve the impact of the series. In 1932, he worked with a Technicolor company to create the first full-color animated film, Flowers and Trees, debuting the three-strip technique, which basically was the first of its kind to basically bring color in a very simple way in a tricolor version to animation. Live action started doing this about 2 years later. So again, he was very revolutionary in his craft. This cartoon was very successful and won an Academy Award for short subjects in cartoons and broke new ground for animation and film in general. Another big thing, probably the biggest thing that I would contribute personally, having been in animation for a long time, that I can definitely see firsthand. The biggest thing that Disney contributed to in the world of animation was the multiplane. To properly create an impression with depth, it required a very new technique on how you could create that in a pure hand-drawn version, and how to get 3D in a 2D world, in a 2D kind of version of painting. And as he called this technique, the super cartoon camera, which I love. I love that this is the multiplane is basically the super cartoon camera. And if you think about Photoshop or any other modern software, this is the origin of that comes from this. Think about Photoshop. You've got just these layers of files in a vertical kind of way on your screen. But now think about it in a horizontal plane. Right? This is what kind of the multiplane technique is about. What the hell is that? Watch this.